Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to link Facebook on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to link your Facebook account to Temu, first open up a Temu app on your phone. And after opening a Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when this interface appears, tap on the settings button at the top right corner of the screen. And when you land over here at the top left corner, you can see the account security option available for us. Just above the permissions, tap on account security, and you land over here where you can see the social sign-in option available for us, and there is the Google and the Facebook options available for us. If your Facebook app or your account is not linked to your Temu account, then there will be the link button available for you at the right side instead of the linked button. So if there is the link button available instead of the linked, tap on the link button at the right side of the Facebook, and a login page to your Facebook account will open. And if you log into your Facebook account over there, your Temu account and your Facebook account will be linked through the process. And with that being said, guys, this is how to link Facebook on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.